Recently, we concluded Vice President elections, and the last Vice President who is leaving the House of Vice President, Venkaiah Naidu, he had a very broad history of B.J.P party. He was the president in 2004 of B.J.P political party, then he became vice president of the political party of B.J.P, then he worked as a Minister of Information and Broadcasting and the Minister of Rural Development, Ministry of Urban Development, Poverty Alleviation, and finally he achieved the second biggest stage of Indian constitutional body, which is called as Vice President of India. Everyone thought that he is going to become the presidential candidate, but to the shock of Vice President, that candidate was being changed to Draupadi Murmu. But now, the Jadhav became the Vice President of India, and the Vice President of India was being left from the office very recently. And I wish all the retirement benefits and all the retirement happy life for the Vice President of India, respected Venkaiah Naidu sir. Thank you. Jai Hind.